Hi Ido.
Hi Cyril, good morning.
Good morning. Where are we today?
We're in Franche-Comté, in the Haute-Saône, in a little village called Barche, very close to Juzet, just 10 minutes out of Juzet.
It's part of Bourgogne-Franche-Comté, huh?
Yeah,
okay.
Yeah, it is.
Lovely day. And what is this house behind us?
It's a big manor. It dates back from 1693 and it's in excellent condition.
What about the land?
With the manor, there is 56,500 square meters of freehold land. It's completely enclosed, partly by walls, partly by fence. And there's trees, there's a lot of lawn, there is even a stork.
I saw it,
yeah,
I saw it.
Yeah, yeah.
That part is lovely with all the trees.
We now slowly approach the Tourelle de Chasse. It's a little tower where the master of the house used to go right up to the top and watch his dogs, his hunting dogs.
Ouais.
So there still is hunting done in this area. So if you're a hunter, you can eat your heart out.
Ouais.
Plenty of possibility. The Tourelle is still in the traditional old condition. It's been maintained, but it has never been renovated. So I can show you a few
original
features.
Conditions.
I can show you a few features, which is really very funny to see, very nice to see.
Okay, let's go there. Wow.
So this is downstairs is the same, but empty. It's just round, there is nothing in it.
It's funny.
But that's where
And the view is nice from here.
If you allow me, I would like to take you in the house now.
Great, go.
The house has basically 3 entrances.
Why?
It has a back entrance, which you will use mostly because that's where you enter with your car and your shoppings. The renovated part has an own side entrance. And what we now are basically the main entrance.
Let's go.
And from the main entrance, you can go left into the older part and right into the newer part. Let's take you in. So here we are in the entrance hall. It's the main part of the house, the more traditional part of the house. But if you allow me, I will first take you into the modern part, which is where the present owners live. So this is the living room with the dining room. This is where the present owners spend most of their time.
So that's the main part here?
It's the part which is mostly in use, yeah.
Okay.
And if you allow me, then I will bring you into the reception.
So that's the third entrance?
That's the third entrance, yeah. And from here you have access to the bedrooms. Upstairs there are 3 bedrooms, a bathroom, a toilet, and we have next to it, there is the kitchen. It's a rather modern kitchen. So here we are back in the main entrance of the more traditional part of the house, which is not renovated but restorated. And if you allow me, I'd like to take you upstairs now, show you a few bedrooms.
I follow you.
This is the original staircase. It's all solid oak wood.
It's beautiful.
The handles are all...
I like the stain.
Yeah, it's all traditional. And as you can see here, it's spacious. It has this white feeling and you have a beautiful view of the Tourelle de Chasse, of the garden.
Wow, it's overlooking the whole garden and valley.
And from your desk, you can enjoy the views.
I wish I had a desk like that, you know, to work with that view. Wow, nice bright volume.
Yes, the rooms are really nice, they are really large. Yeah, and there are a lot of old things in it. The floor is the old traditional oak floor. You have a beautiful view on the Tourelle de Chasse also from here. And don't forget, there is the view of the stork from your bedroom. And you see the little babies from
wow.
here.
Ido, what are those portraits here?
This is the family portraits. The house belongs to the same family already since 1908.
1908, the same family?
Yeah, more than 100 years.
Impressive.
Yeah. So here's the second room. Just have a look how stunning the view is. You overlook the whole garden.
Honestly.
Yeah. It's again a sizable room. It's with old exposed beams. The funny thing is, or the nice thing is that this is.
I like the beams now.
This is symmetric. Mm-hmm. The part which is behind you is a cupboard, and this is the entrance. But if you close the entrance door, you can see that there is just a little alcove in which the bed is placed.
Alors, on va voir en bas?
Yeah, I'll take you downstairs.
Okay.
And I show you the formal reception room and the reception room.
Uh-huh.
So here we are in one of the formal reception rooms with old features, lights, a beautiful stove and a fantastic view and direct access to the garden. So you walk from here, you just walk straight out into the garden. So you can imagine, just put your dining table here and a few chairs and you can enjoy the sunshine, and if the sun gets too much you have your umbrellas here.
Ah oui, oui, d'accord.
Beautiful.
Electric.
Yeah.
It's great because you can really go in and out from every side of the house.
Yeah. So when we get back in, I can show you here this 19th century wood stove.
Beautiful.
Really antique, really nice.
And the alcove is nice as well.
It is beautiful. It's still functional.
Beautiful.
So if you like, you can burn it.
I would.
Yeah.
But we don't need today.
No, no. So here we arrive in the formal dining room.
Wow. I love that fireplace. Is it
It's original black marble.
black marble?
Yeah.
Wow.
And this is the kitchen. It's
So
a
the
nice
second
volume.
kitchen.
Yeah, it's a nice volume, it's spacious. You may want to refresh something on the kitchen part, but for the rest it's all still functioning. It's in good order, good condition.
Yeah, that would be a nice, really new room with a bit of refreshment.
Yeah.
So that's the car entrance?
Yeah, this is where you find the barns. So here you have a carport for 2 cars. This is a big storage room, and if we walk on like this, you'll see the 2 big barns. Each can easily house 2 cars, 2 solid-sized cars.
Wow. It's huge.
It is, it's very big. So 6 cars within the perimeter.
Easily.
You're comfortable.
And there is even
There's
another level
there's
there.
a second level in the barn.
Crazy, so that's like 100 square meters.
You easily, the barn space is 400 square meters altogether.
So, wow.
The house is heated on pellets, so oil is gone. Yes, sure, I will show you.
Can we have a look?
There is no more oil, it's green, it's environmental friendly.
Yes, it's an absolutely brand new system.
Yeah.
So it uses pellets, green,
Yeah.
environmental friendly.
And the storage space for the pellets is behind here in another shed, and there is a direct connection underground.
Automatic?
Automatic.
Wow,
You don't
that's
have
modern.
to do anything.
Great.
Yeah. So tell me, what do you think of it?
I'm really impressed. It's a massive and lovely, lovely property. The land is impressive, and I'm sure that everyone will agree with that. So if you want to know more about this fantastic property, all the links are below the video. In the description, you'll find a virtual tour, 360-degree visit of the house, and also more pictures. And if you want to leave a comment or ask a question to Ido, there's a form on our website, or you can leave a comment below the video and Ido will answer you. Thank you, bye-bye.
Hope to see you soon.